Hello, Maurieo. In this instructional video, we're going to draw the cul-de-sac head. Now, one of the things about the cul-de-sac head is that it's at a bearing 66 degrees 0120. So I'm going to use my Douglas protractor there. So I'll just put it on here so you can see I'm going on the center line. If I put that on there like that facing north, there's north there, put my Douglas protractor on there, you'll see that it should come out at around about 66 degrees. 1 minute 20 is very little. Now I want to see approximately where it is. So you'll recall, I think we established that this plan here was at 1 to 300 in one of the earlier videos. So I'll just quickly confirm that. There's 20 meters there. So this point here is 17 meters in from there. So we'll just make a little note of that there. So this is at 1 to 100, 17, and it should be round about the middle. I'm picking 25, 28. So I'm going to put it round about the middle. I don't think that's going to be any issue there. Determining where these boundaries are might be a bit of fun, but we'll see how that goes. Right, okay, so let's go. This plan's accumulated quite a bit of dirt here. Okay, so right, so first of all, let's get the middle. Oh, I think they'll forgive me. There's the middle there. Don't have to be exact here. So that's the middle there. What do we got? Oh, 30. Oh, now we're at 1 to 200. Remember that, 1 to 200. So 20, 20, and around about 25, 25. And I said this one in here was 17. So I'm going to stick to that. And there's it there. Right, so that there is that's the center point there of my cul-de-sac there. Now I'm going to go, and I knew I left something over here by my computer, and it was my little pricker. My lovely wife bought me some prunes because she couldn't get dates, and they're very sticky, so I've been using the pricker like a toothpick. That's the middle there. That's not where I wanted. I wanted to go 17, which is there. So wrong. So there we are. I'm going to make that there like that there, and that's going to be the center of my cul-de-sac there. Oops. Oh, I'm trying to get my circle template out. Right, and I just used my 3mm circle template here, just to get that in there like that. So that's the center of my cul-de-sac there, like so. And then we will draw in my line at 66 degrees. So what I'm going to do is put that over the middle there. Right, we do need to make sure that we have got it facing exactly north. So I'm going to go here. Right, I'm going to have to take my hoodie off. I'm just too hot. I've got lights and things here, but it's yeah, it's a bit hot. So right, so I'm just going to draw a line through here. I'll just through there like that, and that will help me put that in there like that. Right, okay, so if I put this on here and I line up the two ends of my protractor, you can use a circular protractor. There's north, and 6601 is just going to be pretty close to 66. So that's it there. Let's get a thing. Don't lose sight of that point. I'm pretty sure. Oh, there it is there. That point there, and I'm going to draw that. That's our point. Now everything is parallel, sort of parallel to that. That comes down through there like that, and down through there like that. So that is our center line of our center line of our road, of our cul-de-sac. And our cul-de-sac, I'm pretty sure, has a, we've got a 10-meter radius on the cul-de-sac. So this is a 10-meter radius and two 10-meter radius. So if we just look in here, so this is going to be a tighter radius in the intersection, and you can see that there. So, we don't want to, I'll do this with the Sharpie here. So as you can see here, that's 10 there, and this is 10 here. So that's a total of 20, and this same here, 10 and 10. And then in here you'll see this is 10, and that's into the lip, and that's a total of 13.45. Okay, and that line there is at right angles there. So, all right, here we go. So I'm going to first of all we'll draw a line. We'll mark off a 10 meters at 1 to 200. So here we go. Now this is the 1 to 200. Let's just check that. And 10 meters. So that's going to be it there. And so we'll put that in there like that. Whether I've got that right. There. That's it. I might have gone a little bit too big on that. But that's 10 meters there. So I'm just going to draw that lightly through there like that. And that's our that's the lip of the curb on the cul-de-sac head there. Now, as I said, this one out here is this one out here is 20 meters, and this point here is 13.45 from here. So what I'm going to do is I'll measure off, I'll measure that off here. So this is, make sure it's 200. Okay, right, so that's a 10 meter. Oh, is that 10? That's 10. Okay. And then this here is the road width, okay, 13.45. So we'll put that in there like that. 10, 5, 10, 13.45, which is there. And we'll just come out at right angles here as well. 10, maybe come back up here. Try and get this at right angles as best you can. 10, 13.45. So that's that there, and we'll draw a line down through there like that. And that line should be, it should be parallel to the road. I'll draw another one out this way as well. Same deal, different side, 13.45 there, and here 13.45, and that will be on that side of the road. And it'll come down there like that. Okay, right, now we're going to draw a 20 meter one across there, and 20 meters from here. So there's 20. Just going to draw that 20. Get this right. It's 20 there, and I'm going to put this in here. Okay. There's our 20 there. And that's going to strike there and there. Now we should be able to, now that should be the these that should be these center points here. Okay, so that's where that hits that width. So that's going there like that. Put a little hole there and a little hole there. Okay, and then this through here should be a right angle. But, right, how am I going to, I think I might just check it. This isn't big enough. So I'm going to draw that in through there, just lightly. So I'm going to go from there to there. And that should be at right angles to the center line, I'm hoping. Yeah, pretty good. Yeah, so that's the right angle there. So that gives us this, our big triangle that we've got here. Although it does look, it's a little bit bigger scale, I think, on here. So certainly the inside one is, what did we say, 10 meters? Yes, 10, and then 10. Okay, now, so let's, right, let's draw a line. I'll put a little circle around this one so we don't lose that. Okay, so yeah, and a little circle around here. Okay, and we also need one here. Now you'll recall when I drew the other one, I had a few little issues around joining and widths and that like that because of accuracy issues, particularly drawing by hand like this. So that's 1, 2, 3. So there's our little pegs or key points, and these would be coordinated. So we could plot them from coordinates. Okay, and I'm going to draw these in. Draw that in like that. Hopefully there. I'm not going to change my mind. Like so. And this one here, in here like so. So yeah. In this video, we'll draw all the line work, except for the vehicle entrances. I'll possibly put them in a bit later on. So what should happen now is this here should, well, I'm going to, yeah, just to keep the continuity going, that one goes around there like that. And this one here, I shouldn't have to move the compass much. That should, oh, I'm near enough. A little bit just to fit everything in. And this is the beauty of CAD drawing, of course, is that you got super accurate in the digital environment. Okay, and right, I'm going to all right, and then we just come down here, and I'm going to get my beast out, get my parallel, my rolling parallel out. So it comes into its own in its own situation, but there are many ways of drawing parallel lines, but I guess if you've got the gear that'll do it, you've got to use it, I suppose. So this is going to come down here like this. Now the way that I'm drawing it should sort of push the errors out of the main. So that should be that should be 3.45 across there. Let's see. No, not bad. Maybe. Ooh. Perhaps not. I might be a little bit there, but it's not going to matter too much in terms of that sort of thing. So we try to get it as accurate as we can. Could probably push that a little bit that way, maybe. Okay, there we go. All right, so that's our CUL DE SAC head there with all our geometry there. So now I'll just use the typical cross section to put the other stuff in. So I'll probably do that in speed mode, and then we'll come back. So I think that's all good. Right. Okay, let's go. So we should only need to go. So that there's going to be 300. And that there's going to be 100. Okay. And then what was that? Now we've got to go to our typical cross section to see what the berm was. So I'm just going to my typical cross section plan, and I'll see how the berm comes out. I think we've got that at 1.25. Okay, yeah, 1.25. Yep, for the berm. Right. So that's off the typical cross section. So yeah, right. Need something to measure that with. Oh, there we got the scale ruler. So yeah, those are there. And so that'll be, that's, okay, then we come here, 1.25. Oops, it's not very accurate, is it? 0.3. Yeah. 1.25. 1.5, 1.5. Okay, so let's get that in there. So this here would be the, we'll call that the, so that's the face of curb. That's I think I put that at 300. And then this is the back of curb at 100. Okay, so that's our back of curb at 100. Then we've got a footpath here. Start of the footpath, which will be there. And there, bring that round. Okay, right. So that's the circle work sort of done. I can draw these two boundary lines out here now. I'll just put that away over there. So this is a boundary line here. They're lot boundary, so that's actually, that would be a lot boundary there as well. It didn't feature here so much on this plan because it didn't affect anything in this one here. You'll draw that one up through there like that. So this peg is on the lot boundary. Technically that's not a survey peg, well it's an engineering set out peg, so put those in there like that. Now these little boundaries here, I'm not quite sure how I've done those. We right line them so at various points they're on the this outside circle here, but we don't have those as a curved boundary anymore. So I think what I've done here is certainly gone through the middle of this one here. That's not too straight there. So that one's gone through the middle of there. So we could just do a quick, just to see where that is. So just do a quick, oops. We want to bisect that boundary. So just like that, construction line there, draw a line through there. That'll give us the halfway point on here. So the circle is actually a construction line, and we're going to have a straight line there. So just like that. I'm not quite sure what I did here. I possibly tried to put them on the outside, but quite possible that I've put them on the inside of the circle. Yes, I think I have. That's what I've done. Okay, well we'll do the same here. Okay, so we'll do the same here, and so I'll just split this one in half, I think, although that's probably a straight line. It's probably just gone as a straight line through there. And then what I've done here is I've got, let me see, so I don't know. Oh, there's one there, and then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 through to there. They all look the same, so 6. Okay, and yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 through to that point there. Okay, so I've split it into 6. Right, and let me think there. How can I do that? All right, so we've got there and there. So we can certainly, we can find halfway. We'll just get this here like this. There. No, that's not what we want. Sorry, I'm having to work this out here. I think I probably did it in CAD, so there's definitely a boundary point there, and we're going to split that. Oh, I need to go a bit bigger there, and no, there. Okay, so that will give us the halfway point there. Okay, like so. If we run that through there like that, that'll give us just a halfway point there. Right, and then we've got to split these into 3. So I think I can do that like this. So I've got that halfway point there. That's what's that? 157. Oh. 16.4. 16.4. We divide that by 3. So 16.4 divided by 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s. So roughly around about 5.5. So if I go, where's our midpoint there? Yeah. I reckon 5.5 there, and 5.5 and 11. It'll go there. So roughly about there, and that'll give us these points here. Okay, so put one there, and 1 there. And so these distances should be roughly the same. So that's 1. Oops, no. Okay. 1. Oh, what happened? Right, let me just see. So that's the midpoint there and there. So what have I got? 16.4. 16.4. 16.4, yeah. Divided by 3. 3 5s are 15. And 3 5s are 15. So it should be around about 5.5. And that there should be 5.5. And that there should be 5.5. And then they should translate to a third of the way down there, like that there, there, and to that point there. Okay. Okay, yeah, and then they should be, that's 5 5. Oh, that's 5 5. That's 6 4. That's 5 5. So that's way too much. So I would have thought if I went across, 15, 16.5. No, that's not enough. So I'm going to make it 6, 5.5. So I'll make it 5.7. 5.7. Yeah, that's going to be good enough for me. So I'm just trying to even these out here like that, so it can come. So these are straight lines. It'll go like that. That'll go like that. You can see how we're losing a little bit of the curve there. Okay. And I've actually, I think I've, oh no, I have got that. That doesn't quite go to there. That's a whole different thing. Right, and then we'll do the same here. I'll just use the same amounts. Let me see. So around about that much. 1, 2, 3. Maybe just a little bit more then. And it would be so we'll just make these a little bit skinnier there. All right. Okay. Right, and then the other side is pretty much the same, so I'll do that in fast mode. All right, so it should be, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that'll be good enough for me. Okay, so we'll put that in there like that. Okay, so that's our, oh, just got one more to do here. That's 4. I'll just put that up. 2. Okay, so that's the boundaries in there, and now the other thing that we're going to do is to put the lot boundaries in, and that one we've got 1, 2, 3, so that'll be 1, 2, 3, that one there. I'm going to just put that out there at approximately, I'll just put it out there like that. Yep, that'll come out there like that. That's a lot boundary. This one here, this one comes out the end. Right out the end there. And then this one sort of halfway through there and parallel to that, so about there. Okay, that one there. That one there will be 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's pretty much that one there, I think. Yep. And then that one's parallel and through there. Yep. Parallel and about through there, approximately. Okay, so these are our lot boundaries. So that's I think that's all our line work in. Our line work's all in, ready to go, and next thing is to be looking at our next thing will be to be looking at putting in our vehicle crossings, and then some annotation. So yeah, that one's all looking pretty mighty fine. So there, and then we'll put in our little curb levels around here and have a bit of a discussion about those. So yeah, I'm going to finish this video up at this point, and yes, I'll be back. See you.